Hi everybody, Rich and Candace with PCC. Hey, we're here to do the drawing from last month's e-newsletter. The topic was the safety PLCs versus safety relays and programmable safety relays. So we've got a bunch of entries here and we're going to go ahead and do that drawing. First, I'll go ahead and review number one, what the question was. That question was, with the reduction in price point of safety PLC systems, why might an engineer continue to use safety relays? A was the small number of safety functions required versus the cost. B was the machine safety standards do not allow the use of software-based safety evaluation devices. C, existing machine retrofit applications. D was A and C, and then E was all of the above. So the correct answer was D, A and C. B does not apply because the safety standards absolutely do allow for the use of software-based devices to do safety evaluations. Those standards changed as of the NFPA 79 in 2002. So we are good there. So A and C was the correct answer, which was D. And so we've got a bunch of correct answers here, and we've got a safety starter kit to give away. We've got a PLC with a couple of safety I/O modules, the software required to program that guy, Ethernet cable, handy dandy screwdriver, and so that package will be awarded to the winner of the next number to get drawn.
So I'll pull up the random number generator.
Okay.
We have this many entries. All right. Number 37 is the winner.
37 is Paul from Alkar-RapidPak. Thanks a lot for entering, Paul. We'll get this shipped out to you, or maybe have your account manager drop it off to you. And thanks to everybody for watching the video and putting your submission in. We'll talk to you next month.
Thanks.